Today, I'm gonna show you more than 14 digital marketing courses to learn from while you are quarantined or even when you aren't. In fact, I've done most of these courses myself at some point in my career. Therefore, I will label the experience required to enroll in every course and whether or not you are gonna get the certificate after the completion. So if you are interested in upskilling yourself or are just starting out of college, then make sure to watch the whole video. The list is quite comprehensive and covers everything from SEO to email marketing to Google Ads, like literally everything. Also, I have timestamped every channel section in the description below so you can directly jump to the part without wasting any time. To start the show, I am gonna pick up very basic segment to cover up the overall basics of digital marketing, and I am going to call this segment Digital Marketing section. The first course here is Google Digital Marketing Courses. If you have just started out of the college or are a newbie, then I would recommend this as a mandatory course. This course will give you a solid foundation for mobile marketing, social media marketing, Google Ads, and all the basic but necessary marketing channels and techniques. There are various modules in this course which include text as well as video resources and can take from 3 hours to 40 hours to complete each module. Post completion, you will get a certificate that is globally recognized. This course is only for beginners and is free of cost. Second course in this segment is of Digital Marketing Specialization by University of Illinois. This course is available on Coursera and is specifically designed for understanding the psychology of a customer. The study material is quite elaborate as instructors have done a great job of choosing the study material wisely. If you are a person who loves reading research papers from Harvard Business Review or MIT Sloan, then this course is heaven for you. Because of the quality of content, I would recommend this course for all the levels. This course is paid, but you can always apply for financial aid and get the audit certificate. Third course in this segment is Inbound Marketing by Hubspot. Hubspot has more than 50 courses and all of them are free. Since I started my career, this course has been their flagship course. Everyone in a digital marketing agency is supposed to take it at least once in their lifetime. This course will not only equip you with understanding jargons like lead nurturing, drip campaigns, etc., but also helps you understand the overall marketing strategy of any company. This course is for beginners, but if you have moved from an in-house marketing team to a digital marketing agency, then this course is for you as well. Post successful completion, you will be rewarded with certification. Oh man, that's an alliteration. Moving on to the next segment, which is content marketing. There are a lot of courses out there on content marketing, but the two courses offered by HubSpot outshine every other course. First one is Content Marketing by HubSpot. Just like every other HubSpot course, it is also free of cost and rewards you with certification post completion. This 8 hours course not only covers all the content marketing basics, but also teaches all the little known tips, hacks and tricks to go viral within a limited amount of time. Second course is Content Strategy by HubSpot. This 4-hour course is added extension of the previous course by HubSpot. A lot of times I go back and shuffle through these courses to come up with a creative idea a lot of times. Therefore, it is just not for beginners. If you think you have hit a writer's block or getting bored with your present mindset, then you should definitely go through these. From the content segment, let's move on to SEO segment. Needless to say, content marketing and SEO go hand in hand. Therefore, even if you aren't an SEO, you should have a fair and basic knowledge of how SEO works. So let's start with first SEO course. First SEO course in this segment is SEO courses by SEMRush Academy. SEMRush, which is one of the leading providers of tools for SEO specialists, has a learning center called SEMRush Academy. It has more than 10 courses dedicated to various meticulous subsections of SEO. It is the most thorough course on SEO available on the internet. I will recommend it for each and everyone out there. Even if you are a PPC guy in your company, I think you should still enroll in this course and complete it as much as you can. In my earlier days, I was facing a lot of problem understanding technical SEO. The 5-hour course by Bastian Grimm is the best course out there which helped me understand the technicality around it. This course is free of cost and post completion you are rewarded with the certificate. Moving on to the segment I would like to call landing page optimization or conversion rate optimization segment. If you hold a mid-senior level or any higher position in your digital marketing team, then you are probably already asked to generate ideas and give inputs to improve the conversion rate by making changes to the landing pages or streamline the buyer's funnel. So if you are looking to upskill yourself with conversion rate optimization, then there is only one course which comes to my mind. Landing page design and conversion rate optimization by Rudansky. I love this guy because of his teaching skills. This 10-hour course will walk you through the principles of persuasion, designing and building a landing page from scratch, and real-life audits. Like most of the Udemy courses, this one is paid and you will get a certificate of completion at the end of it. Moving on to email marketing segment. Email marketing has been around since the start of digital marketing. Therefore, understanding email marketing will help you understand the future of digital marketing as well. There are particularly two courses which outshine every other course made for email marketing. First course is Email Marketing by Hubspot Academy. This email marketing course will teach you how to create an email marketing strategy that grows your business and your career. From contact management and segmentation to email deliverability and analyzing your email sends, you will learn how to build an email marketing strategy that is human and helpful and builds trust with your contacts. At the end of this course, apply what you have learned with the email marketing tools that come free in your HubSpot account. Second course in this segment is the complete MailChimp email marketing course. As the name suggests, this course is built around MailChimp, but the fundamentals of email marketing remains the same. Post completion, you will be able to understand the data around your campaigns thoroughly and align your efforts around the problem easily. This 5-hour course is exactly what you need this quarantine to build all your fundamentals around email marketing and get acquainted with the MailChimp environment. This course is currently paid and will be helpful to all the beginners as well as professionals. Just like every Udemy course, you will get the certification post completion. Both these courses will not only help you with the basics but also help you figure out why the open rate or click rate is continuously or sporadically dropping and how to improve them. Now that we have touched the data code, let's move on to Google Analytics segment. And if you are a beginner, then you need only one course for all your needs. Actually, it is a combination of 4 courses, but I consider it only one course with 4 sub-courses. The course here is Google Analytics Academy. The course has 4 sub-courses as I mentioned, and each one takes you from one level to another. The launch guide pushes you to make the changes yourself in the demo account. At the end of each sub-course or module, you will get a certificate of completion. Since it is offered by Google, so it is completely free of cost. Since we are now already on the topic of Google, so let's move on to Google Ads. The choice of courses is huge here, but there is only one course which I recommend for every Google Ads enthusiast. Doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an advanced professional. This course by Rudansky is just gold. I have to admit this was my first paid online course ever and I don't regret it. The course duration of 24 hours is already overwhelming and the influx of information which you will get from this course will be unfathomable. Feel free to revisit some sections if you don't follow through, because Isaac has made it a point to make your every penny worth. Also, this course is paid and you will be rewarded with the certificate. Other than Google Ads, there is an equally important ads platform named Facebook Ads. So let's move on to the only course you need for Facebook Ads. I recently came across one course by Digital Pratik which is currently free. I think the value he provides in that course is equivalent to the one provided in any most expensive course around Facebook Ads. This 5-hour course training is everything you need to know. I'd recommend going through this course even if you are a working professional who is already handling Facebook Ads, because Pratik has done a brilliant job at mixing all the best and unknown practices in this fine-tuned course. Also, I don't know till when he is planning to put this course out there for free, because he might eventually make it paid. So this, according to me, should be the first course which you should enroll into and finish. Now that we are on social media and already touched one social media giant, so let's talk about the courses available in the field of social media management. As I mentioned at the start of this video that HubSpot has a lot of free courses to learn from. HubSpot has a course for social media management as well. It is a 5-hour course which is good for beginners and rewards you with a verified certificate at the end. At the end, I would like to mention one Udemy course which particularly stands out in the whole digital marketing domain, which is the complete digital marketing course, 12 courses in one by Rob and Derek. The best part about it is that it takes up social media marketing platform by platform. From Quora to Facebook, it has everything covered under one umbrella but individually. So this was the list of courses. Let me know in the comments below which course are you gonna take up first, and pass the video to that person whom you think should listen to it. Until next time, bye bye.